DeFi, or decentralized finance, stands as a revolutionary model for operating with cryptocurrencies. It includes decentralized exchanges, yield farming, lending, borrowing, and other financial services. This overreaching term encapsulates peer-to-peer transactions on public blockchains such as Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, Polygon, and many others. While DeFi has significantly contributed to bringing blockchain technology into the mainstream, it grapples with challenges, notably the complexity of most DeFi platforms. The intricate interfaces make them accessible primarily to seasoned users. Moreover, security concerns, including vulnerabilities in smart contracts, pose risks of hacks and scams. In light of these challenges, I recently explored a platform called D.Fi, dedicated to enhancing security, usability, and interconnectivity within the DeFi ecosystem. D.Fi offers a suite of tools and services including exchange, instant swaps, analytics, code reviews, a smart contract antivirus tool, transaction management dashboard, and a DeFi-focused social network. Backed by industry leaders, including directors of Coinbase and Binance, D.Fi boasts a team of 50 people and has been developing innovative solutions for the past 4 years. Noteworthy supporters include influential figures from Polygon Network, Coinbase Ventures, Synthexis Network, Binance Chain, Paraswap, Huobi, and more. Looking ahead, D.Fi aims to introduce groundbreaking products such as an AI chatbot for tailored DeFi investment guidance and a crypto credit card. The platform's Layer 2 chain promises to be the industry's fastest and most secure, incorporating crypto's first antivirus for unparalleled safety. Established during the DeFi boom in 2020, D.Fi has already gained over 3 million subscribers, recently launching their 2.0 version with projections of 100x user growth. The platform's native token, DeFi, has seen significant appetite from investors with over $1 million worth of tokens sold in just 6 hours during its first round of token sale. D.Fi's roadmap includes D.Fi Connect, a next-generation social profile, and D.Fi GPT, the first AI-powered dashboard in the crypto realm. These developments, coupled with the robust DeFi token, position D.Fi as a market leader in the DeFi sector. To enhance the user experience, D.Fi introduces SocialFi, a platform that gamifies networking. Users can compete, earn XP tokens, and unlock exclusive badges by completing tasks and challenges. With diverse task categories like daily task, batch tasks, and referral tasks, SocialFi ensures an engaging experience for users. In its several rounds of token sale, the DeFi token is experiencing high demand, emphasizing its potential to empower a massive Web3 ecosystem with over 10 million active users. The token serves as the backbone for validators and indexers of the Layer 2 chain, providing exclusive access to D.Fi Connect, D.Fi GPT, and D.Fi Scanner. I recently purchased some of these tokens, and I actually posted a video where I shared with you my purchase of DeFi tokens during their 4th round of pre-sale. Here is a quick snippet from that video to show you the process if you missed the previous video. Okay, so let me log in. First you will arrive on this page or this page. When you click on my link, you will arrive at one of these two portals where you will need to join to enter the application. Here you will have to log in with your wallet, so you connect your wallet and you will be creating an account as well. I'm going to use MetaMask here. You have a choice, quite a wide choice, and because I've already linked my wallet, it immediately logged me in, right? But you will have to approve this login in your MetaMask. You will get a message in MetaMask to approve, and once you approve it, then you will log into your account. Now, I do have several MetaMask wallets here on this account, and it reads all of them. So I have 3 accounts in this MetaMask, and right now I'm connected to Binance Smart Chain, but it doesn't matter. I can connect to Ethereum or Polygon, whichever it is, and it still is going to read all of the different chains that I have any assets on. So we can see here there is Ethereum chain, there is Polygon and BNB chain, and I have a little bit of assets on each of them. I don't really keep a lot of assets on my MetaMask. I don't think it is safe to do so. Therefore, you see small amounts. Now, what I can do here is let's go into the wallet. And here I can explore the different tokens. So from this point on, as I'm connected here, I don't really need to go into my MetaMask wallet and explore the tokens here in MetaMask. Sometimes, tokens don't really show up. So this is really my dashboard. Here I have also an address book. And if I have different addresses, they're going to show up here. My MetaMask is EVM based, it's a Ethereum wallet anyways, so it shows up here. If I have wallets on Solana or Cardano, they are going to show up here if I've connected them. So you can really manage all of the different wallets that you have here on this platform. This makes it really easy. What I actually like about this, let's click on this wallet. Now I'm seeing my account overview on all of the assets that I have into this wallet. If I click here, I'm going to actually see a detailed breakdown on everything. So I can see here on my Ethereum chain, these are the assets that I currently have. On Polygon, these are the assets that I currently have, and on BNB chain, these are the assets that I currently have. In fact, I do have here a spam token from what I'm seeing, and MetaMask doesn't send me that warning. In fact, MetaMask doesn't even show me this token. I need to import it or somehow search for it in order to see that. But here I can see it on this DeFi platform, and I want to see what is this message. I'm actually getting a warning that this is a scam token. It is a huge risk of dumping tokens, a very low liquidity, a high risk of being a rug pull token, and it's mintable, which is also a high risk. Many people do these kind of tokens that they sort of airdrop them into your wallet. Like I've got some of these tokens into my wallet. I didn't really do anything to get this token. It was airdropped automatically to me. And now, for me to actually obtain these tokens, I will have to mint it, for which I will have to pay in Ethereum, either I suppose, or no, this is on Binance Smart Chain, so most likely I will have to pay in BNB token to mint this, and most likely it will be just a scam token, but they will steal my BNB by paying for minting it. This is what happens on Ethereum chain a lot. There's many tokens like that on Ethereum chain. So having all of these warnings, having all of this analysis already done for you makes it so much easier to spot these scam tokens and, not fall victim to it. I also have another one here on my Ethereum wallet. It's got 28 out of 100 score. So really not good. This is a high risk token. So definitely great to be able to see all of these things. Also, another thing is I haven't even logged in yet. This is only me connecting my wallet, and I already see all of these details. Now let me log in my profile. Okay, and now it actually reads my username. I can see more details even here. Now I've connected two different wallets. One is my private wallet, the other one is my public wallet, and I can add another account from here. Or also I can open this drop down menu here and I can add a wallet from here. I can choose, the wallet provider and everything. I'm not going to go through this, but you get the idea. And one more thing I want to show you here is if you go here to progress, here you have a daily reward. So just by logging in on a daily basis, you collect XP tokens. So I'll just click claim my rewards. It's done. So for today, I've claimed my reward. In fact, yesterday I forgot to do that, but definitely this is good because you're just earning extra tokens. Somehow this went under my radar for quite some time, and I only discovered this website about a month ago. And I had to ask for an invite because I couldn't really join it on my own. But definitely grab my link from the description below. This is where you're gonna find my invite. It is limited to 10 invites, but as they expire, I get another 10 and then I can request even more. So if they expire, message me and I will get some more invites. Alright, so let me show you how to do that. As I can see, we're already out of this round, even though there's 3 more days left. We have already almost reached here the total limit of this round, so it will most likely close in an hour or a couple of hours from now. I expect that this will be bought out, and you will basically get on the next round. If you're watching this video straight as I post it, if you wait for a few days, you might have to go for the round after that. Currently we are on round 4, so maybe you will manage to catch round 5 or 6, where the price will be slightly higher than what you see right now, but still it will be a very decent price. I'm going to go for this option here where I have 30% of the tokens that I'm receiving and 70% will be locked for 4 months on a daily linear vesting. If I choose the slightly cheaper option, 100% of my funds are going to be locked for the 4 months linear vesting. So I kind of prefer to have at least 30% of this at my disposal in case there is like a big pump or something that I want to swing trade. So that's why I'm going for that price. I'm going to connect my wallet. All right, let's use 2 BNB, which will get me almost 1,500. You know what? Let's make it 1,500. 1,500 DeFi tokens. I will have to approve. Okay, let's confirm this. I'm paying 20 cents fee. Of course, the fees change all the time. Okay, there we go. 1,507 actually I got. And this is just less than $500 at this current round. With every next round, the price is going up a little bit. You will get the next round. It's not going to be a dramatically higher price. It will be just a few cents higher. Now, the next thing that I want to do is go here in transaction history, and I can see both of my transactions. I'm expecting to receive 1,807 DeFi tokens in total. Alright, so this is how you can get some of these tokens before they hit the exchanges, so you can maximize your profit. You can also earn XP tokens for daily active tasks and other achievements that you reach simply by being a user of the platform. If you also become an investor in the DeFi tokens, you will earn extra XP tokens, so that's an incentive you shouldn't miss. All in all, DYOR emerges as a one-stop shop for all DeFi use cases. Accessible by invitation only, it offers a holistic DeFi experience. For those interested, the link to join is in the description below, along with all the relevant social media links, and my newsletter invite is there too. I sent out 2 newsletters per month to keep you up to date with what's happening and what's hot in the crypto world. I share my market analysis, news, and other insights from around the cryptoverse, stuff that doesn't make it into the video podcast, so it's worth getting on my email list. And it's for free. You can scan this QR code or grab the link from the description below. And while you're here, just pick another one of my videos and I'll see you there.